Okay, in this class we're going to add some layout to our Django forms. Let's add a title for the text field, and let's add a title to our text field. So what we can do is we can get back to our code here, and you can go to forms.py, and then we're going to add some labels. So the first thing is you can see that we have fields, and right below that we can add labels. Okay, and here we can set the details. So for example, I want the text to have a label called write your thoughts. Okay, so save that. And if I get back over here, and if I had refresh, you can see that we get the title here called write your thoughts. Now let's try adding some class to the fields. So go to forms.py here, and then we can add widgets. So right below this field here, we're going to say widgets. And then we can specify the list of widgets over here. So the first thing is that I want to specify title, and that's going to be forms.text input, and then we need to add some attributes to that one, and the attributes that I want to add is a class. Okay, and the value of that class is form control. Okay, and I need some margins, so I'm going to say my3. Okay, so let's duplicate that, and this is going to be text field, and instead of text input, this is going to be text area. Okay, and remaining everything is exactly the same. So we have attributes, we have class, and then we have form control and these stuff. So save that. Let's get back over here and say refresh. Now you can see that our form looks much better compared to the beginning. Let's try adding some more details to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our notes form.html over here, and we're going to cut all of these items what we have. Okay, and we're going to say div.card header, and I'm going to say like create note. I say div.card body, and inside that we're going to paste this. So let's get back over here. Let's hit refresh, and you can see that we have a beautiful card, and inside that we have title and the paragraph which we can write. So what we can do is we can change this to 6. Maybe we can make it look much more better. Yeah, that looks much better.